Overloaded teams miss deadlines. Underutilized teams lose momentum. Workload in Asana helps you balance both with a clear view of capacity across people and projects. See who's overbooked, who has availability, and redistribute work in seconds to keep your team running smoothly. There are 3 primary workload views in Asana. First, workload is available at the project level. Add a workload tab to any project. Project Workloads visualizes task assignments by assignee for just this project. Perfect for keeping work balanced within an initiative. Need a higher level view? Portfolio Workload rolls up across multiple projects so you can balance shared priorities and cross-team initiatives. Finally, access Universal Workload from the Resourcing tab. Maybe you're a team manager that wants to visualize what's ahead for your team. Use Universal Workload to see all work for people across every Asana project they're a part of. Workload in Asana can be tracked in a number of ways. The default setting is task count, but it is common for tasks to vary in complexity and time required. It is recommended to use effort fields like % allocation or estimated time. If your team uses other effort custom fields like a point system, add it from the custom field library. In any workload view, each person's tasks will appear as bars on a timeline. When planned effort exceeds capacity, bars turn red, so you can spot overload immediately. Customize your workload view in a number of ways. Zoom in on the right time frame to match your planning cycle. Ensure the effort field shown aligns with your team's system. Use filters to focus on the projects and tasks that matter. And check in on the people you need to. Ready to rebalance your workload? Drag and drop to reassign tasks, or adjust due date ranges to give team members more time. Keep in mind that workload visibility depends on project permissions. If you don't have access to a project, its tasks won't appear in your view. Once your workload plan is set, AI Studio can auto-assign new tasks with estimated effort, based on availability and past plans. So work lands with the right people at the right time. Make workload balancing a weekly habit. A few minutes of proactive planning prevents burnout and keeps projects moving forward. Try Workload in Asana today to build a healthier, more productive team.